Yes, it can, long distance can work. What matters ni riri, are you committed? Na hau niho ndirenda twariririe characteristics of a good courtship kana of a good dating relationship. Number 1, relationship yo yanyu ina commitment. Commitment ni riri, ugakorwo you are obligated, yani ni urahe that person attention, you have committed your attention, your energy, your time, you have dedicated, in other words, your time, your energy. So that relationship in a commitment. Number 2, in a consistency. Ciugo iria mukoretwo mukiaraniria ri na ciiko ri ni iratwarana. Yes, ni iratwarana. Mundu arakwira na ciiko nacio ni iratwarana. So yo riu niyo consistency. Number 3, mwina common interest. Inyuĩ do you have a common interest? Kana equilibrium yanyu ri mumanjagira ha? Do you have a common interest?
Munyitanagira ha.
Munyitanagira ha.
Muranagira mukaga hamwe ri.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.